Quick update on my giant redwood or giant sequoia. A little bit concerned about this die off here. You know, it's not just in the center, it's all the way out to the edge. Yeah, I don't mind some die back on the inside, but see that it's been pretty humid this summer. We've had plenty of rain, which keeps the humidity up. You know, the top part looks excellent, you know, on this new growth here. You know, and this here. But yeah, I don't know, especially on that side there. You may have noticed something here. I've got a pine tree branch in here, and here, because somebody, and I think it's, see all this stuff they've been carrying in. It's funny, these little birds, how they build their nest, and they, you know, put a lot of work into that. I think it might be a chipping sparrow, but the problem I saw with this area, well, first of all, it's already the middle of August, and I'm a little worried that it's getting kind of late to be having babies, because they need to be nice and hardy and well grown before winter hits. So that's maybe another 2.5, 3 months before it starts getting, you know, a chance of frost. So maybe they'll be okay. But this area, you know, it kind of gets, you can see where my shadow is. In the morning, I would say up until, it's 10:43 right now, I'd say maybe up until about close to noon, that would get sun. And if those are newborn babies in there, which there's nothing in there right now, they haven't laid the eggs yet, but just afraid, you know, there's too much open space here, and it's going to be sun beating right down on those babies, and that's going to be bad. It's hot enough as it is, you know, in the upper 80s and high humidity. So I took some couple pieces of pine branches that I need to cut off anyway, just kind of draped it over here, put it up on top of the, you know, this branch. Now she has, assuming she won't be afraid of this, she has a nice spot to come in and keep building her nest, and have some shade, and also be a little more protected from the view of predators. So I'm still suspicious about this spot. To me, it looks like it's too low to the ground, and somebody's going to find it, you know, raccoon or somebody, and just go up there and eat the eggs or the babies. So we'll see what happens. But so that's my August 15th update on my giant redwood.